Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Apple has released iOS 13.5 to the public, and the update includes some major changes, including contact tracing support, Face ID improvements, and the ability to stop faces in group FaceTime, from moving as people talk and more. Follow along for how to install iOS 13.5. Apple and Google have been working over the past weeks to bring their contact tracing API that based on anonymous Bluetooth data. iOS 13.5 marks the availability of the software and users can take advantage of it as soon as local health authorities. Other improvements of iOS 13.5 include the option to quickly skip Face ID if you are wearing a mask, stopping faces from moving around in group FaceTime, when people talk, and automatically share your medical ID with first responders. In this video, I am going to show you how to install iOS 13.5 with contact tracing, Face ID and group FaceTime. Let's enjoy! Hey guys, to get iOS 13.5 update to your iPhone, at first you should go to your settings option. Here I am going to my settings option. After going to settings option, you should scroll down your settings option and you should go to general. By clicking general option, you will get this basic interface, and after below about option, you will find there is a software update. Just click on the software update and you will get this is the update in interface. Here this is the iOS 13.5, that is the Apple Corporation, and this size is 370.8 MB. Before update, at first you should automatically update option turn on. Here I am doing this automatic updates turn on, and then you should back in your previous iOS basic interface page. Here there is a small description about iOS 13.5. Here it's read iOS 13.5 speeds up access the passcode field on device with Face ID when you are wearing a face mask, and introduce the Explorer notification API to support COVID-19. So you should read all of the history, and now it's your turn to download and install your iOS 13.5. To download and install iOS 13.5, at first you should click on download and install option. Here I am just clicking the download and install option. So after clicking download and install option, you should enter your passcode. Here I am put my passcode. After putting passcode, the download will be continue and download and install will be in processed. So update requested is turned on and it showed update requested. Hi guys, my Apple iOS 13.5 has already been downloaded. Now this is turn to install this. So after downloading this iOS 13.5, you should find this iOS 13.5 and below this Apple Incorporation, and below this finally you will show this is downloaded. So by getting this downloaded, now you should go to the below and you will get the install now option. Click on this install now option, then this iPhone will be installed automatically. After clicking on install now option, you will find this screen that is verifying update, and now this is installing in your iPhone 7 or more. Hey guys, iPhone 13.5 has already been installed to this iPhone, and now it's time to see the new update of iPhone 13.5. Now go to the settings option and then you should go to the general option. After clicking on this general option, you will find that is the software update option, and by clicking software update option, you will get this iPhone is updated to iOS 13.5 and your software is up to date. Now this is turn to open the settings icon again, and you will go to the scrolling option, and by scrolling you will get that is the health option. Here there you find the health option, and by clicking on health option, here you will find this the COVID-19. And of course at first you should do this your health ID or medical ID edit option, and now you should put your all medical information, and you will always should turn on this show when logged option, and you should done this. So that's all for today. Hopefully your iPhone is updated to iOS 13.5. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you to update your iPhone to iOS 13.5. Please keep in touch with TOS IT Corner to see new video and tips and tricks as well. Thank you all of you to see this video.